Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for the opportunity that has been given. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Octavian. I will present the result of my research until the influence of brand image, lifestyle, and store atmosphere on consumer satisfaction. In this era, coffee shops are not just a place to buy coffee, but can be used as a place to do a segment, a meeting place or to gather with friends and family. Coffee drinks are one of the drinks that are much loved by all people, especially adults. This makes coffee shop business or coffee shop busy, especially in the city of Semarang. Brand image. A brand is not just a name or a differentiator between a product and other products, but a brand is able to provide a perception to consumers. Fatoni 2018. Lifestyle. Lifestyle is a function of individual characteristics that have been formed through social interaction. In simple terms, lifestyle can also be interpreted as the way a person lives his life, which includes activities, interests, likes or dislikes, attitude, consumption, and experience. Sitopu et al. 2022. Store atmosphere. One of the considerations in making purchasing decision is an attractive store atmosphere. Store atmosphere not only influence purchasing decision but also influence customer satisfaction. The impact of store atmosphere can create an impression that makes buyer increase their purchasing or only buy enough and may not intend to return to buy at that place. The impression obtained has an impact on satisfaction customer. Nurjaya et al. 2020. Research method and design. Population in this study refers to residents in Semarang who are consumers of Starbucks coffee product at Citadel Square. In this study, the sampling used was not probability sample, where their population size was not known with certain, and there were also several populations that did not have the opportunity to be used as sample. The sampling method in this study used a progressive sampling technique. Pervasive sampling is a sampling technique with certain considerations. Sugiono 2010. Based on the result of the regression analysis above, a multiple linear regression equation can be produced as follows. Y 0.361 x1 plus 0.403 x2 plus 0.318 x3 so that I can be studied brain image 0.361. The positive value obtained so that every time there is an increase in lifestyle, it will consumer satisfaction lifestyle 0.403. The positive value obtained so that every time there is an increase in brand image, there will be consumer satisfaction and store atmosphere 0.36318. The positive value obtained so that every time there is an increase in store atmosphere, there will be consumer satisfaction. The the test use the coefficient of determinant and the f-test. The coefficient of determinant R2 is used to measure the ability of the independent variable to explain the dependent variable. Based on table 4.1 show that the adjust R square value is 0.759. This can be interpreted that the ability of lifestyle, brand image, and store atmosphere to explain consumer satisfaction is 75.9, while 24.1 of consumer satisfaction is explained by variable other than lifestyle, brand image, and Store atmosphere. The F-test is used to determine the effect of the determinant independent variable on the dependent variable simulation or as stimulant. The existence of a stimulant effect can be seen from the sig F more than 0.05 in table 4.1. So the result of the F-test of 70.155 with significant 0.000 is less than 0.05. This show that lifestyle brand image. Discussion. Brand image variable has a positive or significant effect on consumer satisfaction. This can be proven based on the test with a beta value 0.361 and significant value of 0.001. Store atmosphere variable has a positive and significant effect on purchasing on consumer satisfaction. This can be proven based on the test with a beta value 0.403 and a significant value of 0.0. Lifestyle variable has a positive and significant effect on consumer satisfaction. This can be proven based on the test with a beta value 0.368 and a significant value of 0.0. Conclusion, limitation, and implication. Lifestyle profile to have a significant positive effect on consumer satisfaction with the obtained reception coefficient of 0.361 and significant 0.001 is smaller than 0.05. Brand image proof to have a significant positive effect on consumer satisfaction with the option precision of coefficient of 0.203 and significant 0.03 is smaller than 0.05. Store atmosphere proof to have a significant positive effect on consumer satisfaction with the obtained reaction coefficient of 0.518 and significant 0.0 is smaller than 0.05. Based on limitation of this research, the research submit suggestions for future research, including adding research variable, namely product quality and brand trust, so that the other variable that affect consumer satisfaction can be identified at Starbucks Coffee in Citadel Square. The questionnaire should also include product variant at Starbucks Coffee in Citadel Square, so that consumer can find out which variant or more choice and purchase it, so that they can add data to analysis research result. Thanks all for your presentation today and thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.